Well, hey everyone, welcome to 1 Month Content Marketing. I'm so excited that you guys are all here. Congratulations on taking this class. It's going to be a really fun couple of weeks together. I just want to first say welcome. I think that it's really important to just congratulate you and welcome you to the class. We have so many people here joining in, and we're going to be going through this all together. My name's Sarah Kathleen Peck, for those of you who haven't met me before. I am the Director of Communications at 1 Month, and I'm here in studio teaching you guys here in our offices at 1 Month. Some fun facts about me, if you've never met me before, I was born in Germany, but I was raised in California. I've been building websites, blogs, I've been working in print and digital media projects for over 10 years now, and one of the things that I'm really fascinated with right now today is this idea of growth. How do you grow? How does something change? How does it transform? Like when you go to the gym and you lift weights, it's kind of crazy that your muscles get bigger over time. Like, just think about that for a second. That's kind of crazy. So I just really love that. And I moved to New York about a year and a half ago. I just finished yoga teacher training. And so I am spending my time doing yoga, learning about growth, and working here at 1 Month. My work and my writing and my projects have been featured all over the web. I've been published on Psychology Today, Huffington Post, Fast Company, 99U, Lifehacker, and many other places. So it's really exciting to be working with you guys. Also, I want to just say welcome to 1 Month. 1 Month is a really awesome company. We're weird, we're a little strange, we're quirky, and we like doing things a little bit differently. So this might not be your typical online class. Sometimes we go a little PG-13, whoa, and we'll share with you kind of the real stuff behind what we do. We're all learners and doers and growers, and we have been making this up as we go along and figuring stuff out through trial and error. So welcome to the crew, welcome to our student body. Just a couple of things to know before we get started. So how much time does this class take? There's going to be about 6 hours of video that you can work through. None of the videos is going to be very long, and expect to take about 15 minutes a day over the course of a month. If you want to go a little bit faster, you can do it all in like 2 or 3 hours and stack it up onto days when you have more time. These are all project-based classes, so this class is going to have a series of projects that we're going to work through together. You're going to get your hands dirty and you're going to do stuff right away. If you're ever stuck or confused, ask questions. Go to the forums, go to our community tab, and just raise your hand, ask a question. We'll be there, right there beside you to answer any questions you have.